In this example, we are tasked to convert the root of an expression to the respective index, because we have seen already that working with indices makes a lot of sense because it simplifies things. So here we've got this what looks really a horrible expression, but actually it's not too bad. So we have a to the power of 10 and we want to take the fifth root of that. So how can we do that? Well, that's very simple actually. So all we need to do is we write a to the power of 10 divided by the root here, by 5. And that would be our index for this expression, the index way of writing. So a to the power of 10 divided by 5. And of course we can simplify that a little bit. So that would be 10 divided by 5. That would be a squared. So it's really quite easy and straightforward to convert something like that. Now, here would be another example. So maybe we have the square root of x to the power of 3, and here we've got the square root, and traditionally we would not necessarily write the square root, but for this example we just put that down here, and written as an index, so we take x to the power of 3 divided by the root, and that would be 2. So that would be x to the power of 3/2, or which is the same as x to the power of 1.5. So very easy and straightforward. Here is another example. Here we've got we need to calculate, or we need to write this as an index. Again, it's very straightforward. A to the power of 10 divided by the square root by 8. So we get a to the power of 10 over 8, and we can simplify this a little bit, so that would be 5 over 4 in the index. So very easy and straightforward to convert roots into an index, and of course it's also very simple to do exactly the opposite procedure. So if we, for example, have a to the power of 3/5, we can easily convert that, because all we need to do is we write a to the power of 3, that's this one here, and we take the fifth root of this expression. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.